Let me show you how to use a micro SD memory card with your Blink doorbell camera. So what's cool about these cameras, so depending on what kind of module you actually use with your camera, we can actually use external storage for these, where we can record all the videos, and that simply allows us to not pay the stupid monthly subscription fees. So first, if you're wondering if you can actually insert, for example, micro SD or SD card directly in your camera, then nope, you actually need to use a module for it. So there are two modules that supports. For example, the cheaper Blink Core module actually does not support. However, the Blink Sync module 2, for example, supports USB flash drives, and the newer Sync module XR also supports micro SD memory card. So on this module, for example, we can insert the micro SD on the top. However, if you want to use micro SD with this Blink Sync module 2, for example, you will simply need to get adapter like this that converts, so like a memory card reader. So we can insert the memory card inside here, and then we can actually plug the memory card inside in our module. And after some time, basically on your phone, you should see a notification. If you do not see notification on your phone, you can simply open the Blink Home app, click on the Sync module, and you can click on the local storage here. So you see, we can see how much space, the memory card is filled up essentially. And if you're wondering how does this recording to the external drive actually works, then if you simply have the Blink free app, so if you do not have the trial or the paid cloud storage, every time, for example, your camera gets triggered, either when someone presses a bell or it gets triggered by motion, it's simply going to record the video straight away to your flash drive or micro SD if you use it like that. But if you have, for example, the trial or the cloud storage, I also have that, then it's only going to use this drive as a backup drive. So it's first going to actually upload the videos still to the online cloud storage, and then once per day, it's simply going to take the videos for the day and transfer it at the end of the day to the flash drive. So it's kind of automatic process. Sometimes you literally have to wait like a whole day before the files actually get transferred to your drive. And essentially once the videos are recorded to your drive, you can see them on the app, or also you can plug this drive in the computer wherever basically, and they're instantly accessible. For example, let me show you what this, for example, looks like, the file system. So you see, even connecting to this phone, I'll just show the file system. So if I go in the storage, so you see it simply creates folders for the Blink camera, and for each day it essentially creates a new folder. So we can go here and, for example, check what it has recorded. See, just ringing the bell here. So see, and it's instantly usable here. Okay, so as easy as this. So either get the Sync module 2 or the newer Sync module XR. But however, this XR, for example, I do not see where you can actually purchase in Europe. I only see it some certain countries since it's so new. So again, this probably is the best value of money module that you can get. Also, I suggest to look in the used market. You can purchase these, for example, on eBay for maybe like $15 only. So in refurbished condition, essentially. So that's a good option. So you can record your videos to your SD or flash drive and not pay any monthly fees, which is absolutely awesome. Good luck.